that you all are doing amazing. A very warm welcome to your today's session about some of the important tips that will help you to score your target marks in the final exam. 40 on 40 should be your target now, okay, for the term 2. So some of the tips, because right now you would be really fed up with the thing, ma'am, how do we start the preparation, because you expected your exams would be conducted around March, mid-March, but now since there's an extension, so a lot of the students are still confused, ma'am, kaise shuru kare, how do we what is the best strategy, how do we solve a lot of questions, and are there any tips that can help us to concentrate on the studies? So all that I will be discussing in the session. Now, if in case you are new on the channel, then you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button of the video. And before going further, guys, I just want to draw your attention to the fact that we are coming up with another batch of Drona. Right now, why? Because there was so much demand of this batch. They all want to study physics from Abhishek sir, maths from Harsh sir, and all the other teachers are there on the screen already. So the teachers of Vedantu 9th and 10th Hindi channel are gonna take this batch themselves. So you would be getting the personalized attention. And one more surprise, you are having a discount today, okay? 26th and 27th February, मतलब आज भी आपको मिलेगा flat 1000 rupees off. Now this will be over today by 12 o'clock, so you have to hurry up, and seats are 200 new seats available in the batch. The entry fee is actually 3300 with Shilpi Mam's coupon code SKA Pro, but because it is 27th of February, we are giving you a huge discount, and that is off 1000 rupees. So the price falls down to 2300 with the most successful amazing crash course for 10th class term 2. So you guys do not miss this batch. This is very much important. Flat 30% off. You still have a chance. Don't think ki ma'am kahan se shuru kare, how do we solve the questions, what kind of questions would be coming in exam. All that is on us. If you are in the Drona Bash, then we guarantee this, that you guys are going to rock in the exam, provided you just come and attend all the classes with us and you are practicing, as we are saying, okay? So what you would be getting in the Drona Bash, 30 plus live sessions, live interactive classes, okay, that you can watch the replay of. You would be getting the session notes and unlimited doubt solving, personalized attentions from your favorite master teachers, Abhishek sir, Harsh sir. Why not? Why won't I join this batch? Henna, so you have to do it. And being from Kitain Army, you guys have Shilpi Mam's coupon code also, that is SKA Pro. So apply this code and get extra discount, right? Grab this as soon as possible, because iske baad this is not gonna come, okay? Okay, let's have some tips to score 95 plus. Now still we are having 40-50 marks in our hand. A VP term 2 carries equal weightage as term 1. So let's understand what could be the best strategy for that. The first point that a lot of us miss on is the written practice of the question. So guys, just do not forget the fact that this time exam is going to be subjective, right? And subjective mein kya matter karta hai? The way you are writing your answer, the presentation of your answer matters the most, because you only understand that each student is gonna read the textbook, है ना? Every student is going to see the questions. Now, even if this strategic video I talk about, then a lot of students are going to watch this video. But why there is so much difference in marks? One of the reason, the way you present your answers. So the way of presenting the answers on the answer sheet play a vital significant role. So please do written practice for the questions. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है, okay? And written practice करोगे, then you would be understanding each and everything. The things, the concepts are gonna just fit into your mind properly, so that when you go in the answer sheet, like you go in the examination hall, you can just give your answer straightforwardly there without wasting any time. So always make sure you have a pen and paper in your hand whenever you are watching any academic video, even on YouTube, or you're solving any question in the textbook, right? The second strategy is to make a formula cheat sheet. Now a lot of you would be having formulas in mathematics that might be confusing to you, physics में होंगे. If I talk about chemistry में as such you don't have formulas this time, but still you can make some cheat sheets. For example, a छोटू सा cheat sheet I have made for functional groups, like OH is for alcohols, CHO is for aldehydes, CO for ketones, etc. You can write their general formula of hydrocarbons over there. Apart from that, you can make a cheat sheet about the homologous series, what are their properties, because these are important topics, है ना. You can make a cheat sheet about the what you study, isomers जो आप पढ़ते हो, isomerism में the general formula of calculating the number of isomers that can help you to get to the right answer. You can make a cheat sheet for the periodic properties and their variation. That is so nice that when I'm going left to right across a period, what happens to the atomic size, top to bottom, what happens. So these cheat sheets you can paste them on the wall, but make sure उसको पढ़ भी लेना. ऐसा नहीं है you are only pasting them and you are never looking at them again. So you have to study, you have to go through those cheat sheets again and again so that you can do your revision quickly. And cheat sheet always saves your time. Just say you are doing a very little activity, along with that you wanna just remember or memorize the formula or any, let's say, functional group. So have a look at that. They would be saving your time and concepts would also be built in right after that, है ना. And the next is follow a revision plan. A lot of you forget this. Lot of you are making a very major mistake. And what is that mistake? जैसे you study a chapter, carbon and its compounds, you solve its questions right away. So when you are reading the theory, you solve the questions, you are able to do that. Now what happens? Next day you are starting a new chapter. The next day you start a new chapter. The next day you start another topic, another subject. So what happens? That carbon that you did is like खत्म, टाटा बाय बाय, है ना. सो आपको रिवाइज करना जरूरी होता है. सो मेक श्योर मॉर्निंग में you when you wake up early, then at least go through the notes what you've done in the past class, है ना. रात को क्या पढ़ा था, just have a look at it in the morning, because morning में you all are like sort of your memory is fresh, you are more energized. However, it depends from person to person, but still that is the best time for the revision. या फिर रात को, if you are like a night all, you're like ma'am around 12 or 11 p.m. I feel like doing the revision, you can do that. Okay, but revision is important so that you do not miss what you did in the past few days. That doesn't create a bridge, है ना. So otherwise what is the point? So you have to make a revision strategy. You can read or sometimes you can record yourself, but ये आप skip कर सकते हो. So just read the textbook. Reading textbook is also important. Then you have to do recitation. So make sure you speak it out. Okay, like I'm teaching you something, I'm speaking something out. So what happens? My memory becomes more active there. Okay, the things are absorbed much easily in your brain. So read, recite, remember and repeat. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक और चीज ऐड कर लो, write करना is also important. Now written practice if you're not doing, then there is no point, I'm telling you. Okay, and final, mock papers are very much important. Now why mock papers are important? Let's say I talk about science perspective. Science mein you are studying physics, chemistry and biology individually from different teachers, है ना. You have different topic, but exam में physics paper won't be separately ना, it won't be coming separately. There's going to be a joint paper of PCB. So I should be fluent with that way of solving all the three subjects together in the same paper. So you have to take a mock paper, sample paper, and then you have to set a timer. Sit with an alarm clock. जैसे exam is going to be of 2 hours, you set a timer of 2 hours. Take that mock paper or sample paper and solve it with this timer. and solve it in a subjective manner. Take an answer sheet, write full answers. This will help you to do the time, like it will help you to understand where you are going wrong in terms of time. So time management बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, otherwise I'm telling you exam में you are पक्का gonna mess up something. It might happen that you don't have time for the case based questions. Until or unless you do not practice mock papers, sample papers at home, your preparation is incomplete. Get it straight to your mind, right? And pakka there are chances of making the mistakes. You will be doing that if you skip it, so it's a vital part of the preparation. Solve the previous year papers. Previous year papers were also subjective, है ना? Last year छोड़ दो. Before that, so you can go through those papers, skip the reduced portion. These are some of the most important strategies that will help you to score more than 95%. And when I was in my 10th standard, I did follow them and I scored 100 in science. So I expect the same from you also. You guys gonna rock it. Okay, at least in the term 2 we can score 40 on 40, है ना? We still have that. And if in case you are worried, then don't worry, Vedantu का Drona Batch भी है आपके पास. So join Drona Bash because you're getting a flat 30% discount today. This is not gonna come back again. I'm telling you, you have Shilpi Mam's coupon code SKA Pro, and this will be making the things easier for us, isn't it? And all the best amazing master teachers are going to take your classes in Vedantu Pro batches. You will also get the idea कि pro में कैसे classes होती हैं, and this is a batch worth taking enrollment into, है ना? Seats भी काफ़ी हैं, so hurry up, the discount will end today. SKA Pro is the coupon code that you can apply. कैसे लेना है that Shilpi Mam will tell you. Okay, so how you have to go with the revision, or like what you have to do in the end moment, everything would be covered here. So this is the video that you're attending right now. You have to go in the description box, यहाँ पर जाकर देखो Drona Class 10th enrollment link. You have to open this will directly get you into the Drona batch. Now the thing is, one Drona batch is already going on. The new Drona batch will be starting from 1st of March. So if you are taking subscription today, 27th को अगर आप लोगे, then you would be getting access to both the batches. You will be able to take the classes of the running batch, plus it will get you auto enrolled in the next fresh batch. ठीक है? और कौन से वाला लेना? क्लासिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना, बिकॉज क्लासिक में यू आर गेटिंग डाउट सॉल्विंग अनलिमिटेड ड्यूरिंग द लाइव क्लासेस, test series and live interactive online classes. So I have applied my coupon code here. आप देख सकते हो कूपन कोड हटाकर 3300 का है, but if I'm applying SKA Pro for my cations, it comes down to 2300. That's worth every penny. Okay, so do not miss it. Grab kar lo jaldi si. There are a lot of payment options that you can follow. Okay, I'll see you next time, and make sure you hit the like button of the video, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any confusion. Okay, bye bye.